Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here to share with you some information about a series that I am going to begin this month. It is called Kit and Kaboodle Krafting. Kit and Kaboodle Krafting, all with the letter K. I was checking around in my craft room and started looking at the number of kits that I have purchased over the years and have not done anything with. So I decided to see just how many kits I have. So I will insert a photo here to show you what the box full of kits looks like. Okay, so it is quite a few. And what I wanted to do was go ahead, get them out, and get going on them. So I'm going to share a couple of the kits with you. And they're from different people, different places. And that way, you'll see what I will be working with. And I will be showing you the project on the first and third Wednesday of each month. I don't know how many months it will last, but it will be the first and third Wednesday, morning preferably. And so the very first project will be next week. Okay, this first kit that I have to share with you came from Heather's Hobby Haven. She is absolutely fabulous with Copic coloring. So you can check her out on YouTube, and she has a website as well, which is where you buy the kits. But I'm going to share with you what was in the kit to show that there's really no reason why I didn't have all of this done a long time ago. Okay, so this is a photo of what the cards are going to look like. This is a card kit. She has cut out every single thing and included everything that you see here. This seam binding I ended up leaving in the bag, but that's the seam binding. You actually get the stamp. Here are the directions, showing you what other supplies you need, what comes with it. All right, and the tools that you need. So each one is already in the envelope. You can get the envelopes to go with the cards. Nicely packaged. I mean, this was a long time ago. I don't even have the original packaging to let you see how long, but you see all the different card stocks. Everything is already cut to size. Doilies. Here's the die cut butterfly, the floral oval. Everything is right here. All I need to do is color and assemble. And this is a good thing because I really need to get back to working on my Copic coloring. I love it. I just don't do it. So I want to get back to that. All right, that was a kit from her. Tamika did kits a lot a long time ago. A lot. And I think I may have probably 3 or 4 from her. I know 3 at least. This one, I am going to have to go back and find her video on when she sold these, because now I can't remember what I'm supposed to be doing with it. See, I still have the thank you note. But she included the paper pad, bling, trims. Look at this. These acetate sheets. Stick pins. Here's the chipboard. And here's a doily stuck in between. That's the chipboard pieces, 6 by 6. And so I'm thinking this may be an envelope mini, because here are the envelopes and a milk carton. Let's see, it's 2 in here. Yeah, 2 milk cartons. So I need to work on that. This one was from Ashley Newell. And I mean, let me see if I think the date is still on here. This was, golly, I'm embarrassed. Man, I am embarrassed. Woo! Okay. This was 2011. Okay, so not quite 8 years because it was September. So let me give myself a little credit. But this is a mini also. And that is what it's going to look like. I thought that was really cute. It's a paper bag mini album keepsake kit. All the directions. Here is everything that came with it. This is all the twine and ribbons and buttons. I didn't want to take all of that out. I think you can kind of see through that. And then all the little paper bags. So cute. The cardstock paper, pattern papers, and doilies. Okay. This one I got from the Heirloom Stamp Show, I think 2 years ago. So this is not too bad. I had intended to do it Christmas and forgot. But this makes beautiful, beautiful Christmas cards. That angel, here it is, will be embossed. Actually, a lot of it will be embossed in gold. And this makes 25 cards. So I am going to get these completed. I know it's not the season, but that's okay. All right, and then you saw this one not long ago. This is my Pink and Main kit. I need to start doing something with that one because the next one for this month will be coming soon. And this is a kit that I had. I'm thinking it was, I cannot think of who this is, that I was subscribed to at one time. And these plastic bags, just in case you want to know, came from Dollar Tree. You can find them every blue moon. I got this idea from Gina, who is Scrapanology on YouTube, about putting your kits in bags, and that way everything is already together. And then what I do is put hangers in the closet in my craft room and just hang them from there. But this is and I'm going to turn it sideways so you can see full length. But that's a mini album. Not so many, but it is so cute. But I'm going to take this out so you can see it. Sorry for the crinkling. This is going to be a challenge because I just love it like it is. Look at that. That weathered look. So how much do you do to this? And that's probably why it's still been sitting, because after looking at it, I didn't know which direction I wanted to go in with it. And when I started crafting, I started out scrapbooking. So that's why you're seeing scrapbooking kits here, because I just love scrapbooking. I don't do it as much as I should, but I love it. And these are the things that came with it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. Now I may put this on one of the walls. The flowers. Ephemera pieces. And the 12 by 12 paper pad. This is all Bo Bunny. So those are just a snippet of the kits that I have that I will be working with. I don't know which one I'm going to do first. It'll be a surprise to you all as well as to me. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you come back to see the completed projects. Thanks for stopping in. Happy crafting.